folks, on to 9.7. We skipped over 9.6 because, and maybe 9.5, just because I'll just quickly cover what the big idea was. So let's say you have something that's y equals x squared. Okay, so let's just see what it looks like if we plot points. I pick some points, -3 through +3. So if I plug -3 in, -3 squared is 9. So that would be -3, 9, put a dot. If I put in -2, so -2, so if x is -2, -2 squared is 4. So go back to up 4. If x is -1, -1 squared is 1. So back 1, 1. And then 0, 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. It makes this, if we were to plot more points, you'd see that it's kind of a curvy little guy like that. It actually touches the point 0, 0. And this guy we're going to call a parabola. It's got a bunch of interesting properties you'll learn about later, but for now, if I'm going to draw these, if I'm going to draw it really lazily, I would just put a dot there and then kind of curve, curve. This point right there, that's called our vertex of the parabola. And notice that the parabola is opening up, the one we drew it, opening up. Okay, so all we're going to do is we take this picture of a parabola, and we're just going to move it around the page, maybe flip it upside down, something like that. Okay, so we have our parabola. So y equals x squared. Draw a picture of it. Okay, boom, boom, done, easy. These are just an examples. Another example, y is equal to -x squared. Oh, it's a parabola, but it's negative. Okay, vertex 0, 0, it opens down. Okay. Y is equal to, let's go back to this guy. Let's move it back and forth. Let's move it up and down. X squared plus 3. Up 1, 2, 3. It's moving everything up 3. Up 3. Put a dot for the vertex. Draw your parabola. Better than I drew it. Ugh. Okay. So y equals x squared minus 1. It's going to drop it by 1. So go down 1. Put a dot for the vertex. And then draw a parabola. Okay. That's moving it. So the little plus thing moves it up and down. And we can move it side to side. So if we were to say, this one looks a little weird, x minus 2 squared. Parentheses, I like to say parentheses mean to think opposite. So it says x minus 2, so I would go positive 2, put a dot for the vertex, and then draw a little parabola thingy. Maybe draw it better. Kind of technically goes forever, like that. Y equals x plus 4 squared. So that's x plus 4. It's in parentheses. I think opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the x direction, put a dot, and it's a parabola sort of thingy. Try and draw your parabolas prettier than I do. Okay. Let's see. Another idea is, I like this section. I like graphing. Y is equal to x squared. It's just a normal looking parabola. I didn't draw it very well. Okay. Y equals 2x squared. The 2 in front means everything's happening twice as fast, so it's going to make it really skinny. God, I can't draw. It's going to make it really skinny. So, to emphasize the point, if I were to graph y equals 3x squared on this picture, same vertex, but it's just getting really, it's a skinny parabola. Okay. Now, if the number, does green work? Let me just do a different one. Let's say I have, instead of a number more than 1, right, because this is technically a 1, what if I put like a 1/2 there? So that means that things are happening in, it's half as much. Not twice as much, not 3 times as much, half as much. Oh, so that means everything's getting all mellow. It's making a wide parabola. Okay. So maybe let's put some ideas together. Maybe someone says y is equal to negative 1/4 x squared. So the 1/4 makes it all wide and mellow and open, but the negative makes it open down. So it's going to go like that. Aha. So that's the game. What are we graphing up to? In our homework, 9-7 through 320 up to 23. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much everything. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, okay. Well, that was basically 9-7. Yeah. So I don't even need to do any problems. I pretty much explained it all. Okay, we only went up to, we're just going to go up to 323. Sweet.